Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you step by step through a super useful skill for anyone trading on TradingView, how to take a partial profit on your order. So if you've ever wanted to lock in gains on just a portion of your position while letting the rest ride, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to confidently partial close your trades like a pro. Alright, let's dive right in. First, let's assume you already have an active order open. Maybe you've bought into a stock, crypto, or any instrument and now it's moving in your favor. Instead of closing the entire position, you want to secure a bit of that profit now, but keep some exposure in case the market continues in your direction. That's where partial profit taking comes in handy. Now to do this, look at the TradingView interface and direct your attention to the order panel. If you don't immediately see it, don't worry, it's just slightly minimized by default. Go ahead and look for the small expand button, usually located right at the bottom of your chart window. Give that a click. This panel gives you all the necessary info and control over your current trades, so I always recommend keeping it open when you actively manage positions. Once you've opened up the order panel, you'll see several tabs inside. What's most important for us right now is the Positions tab. This is where every live position you currently hold is listed. So just scan through, find the position you want to take partial profit on, it should be right there. Next, there's an X icon, or sometimes labeled simply as close, next to each of your open positions. Don't worry, clicking this doesn't instantly close out your entire trade. Instead, it brings up a really important pop-up window first. In that pop-up, TradingView gives you a choice. You can either close the whole thing or you can select Partial Close. Go ahead and click on Partial Close. Now here, where you get to decide exactly how much of your position you want to take profits on. You'll see a field where you can enter the number of units you'd like to close. For example, if you're holding 1 unit of an asset and want to lock in profit on half, just type 0.5 right in that box. Don't worry at all if these numbers aren't exact, TradingView will help you adjust, and you can always check your math before you hit the next button. Stopping here for a quick note. It's perfectly normal to feel a bit unsure your first time. The key is double-checking the unit amount before you move on. This feature is powerful because it lets you manage risk, you pocket gains on part of your position while maintaining your presence in the market. Once you're confident with the amount you've chosen, simply click Close Position. And that's really it. TradingView will execute the partial close automatically, locking in profit on just that portion while the rest of your trade stays active. Sometimes it might take a moment for the new balance to reflect, especially if markets are busy, but your order will be processed. And there you go, you just took your first partial profit on TradingView. I hope this guide makes the process clearer and gives you more control in your trading. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or tips of your own, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear how you're using partial closing in your trading strategy. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.